Anniversary! Going to see a book of Mormon. That's it. We are super excited. We have no idea what to expect though. We've not really looked up what's it about. I just know that it's going to be super funny. Yeah.
How was that? Did you enjoy it?
Oh, it was so good.
Good. Is it alright?
Oh my god, it's so good. We ordered everything cheesy and carby, so we're quite full right now.
How was that then?
Oh, it was so good, wasn't it? And I booked it. Me.
Really nice, yeah.
I booked it.
It's nice, a good decision.
Yeah,
Nice.
Such good Italian food. The gnocchi gorgonzola, oh, perfection.
Really good.
And
loads of cheese, loads of pasta,
yeah.
nice drinks.
My glasses
Possibly,
are like purple.
it's very dark now. Possibly the best espresso martini I've ever had.
Take this off. Yeah, the espresso martini was amazing.
So, really good.
Really good coffee, good tiramisu. Highly recommend Fumo. Fumo or Fumo in Covent Garden. Banging. And how was Book of Mormon?
It was so funny, wasn't it?
So funny.
Hilarious, actually. I didn't stop laughing.
Yeah, I would.
Only a couple of times.
I would really recommend, as long as you're not easily offended, because it's a bit, well, takes the piss out of religion.
It was very good
Bit
though.
racist,
really
I guess.
funny. You know.
Yeah, really good. Good afternoon everyone. So vlogging was sparse yesterday because we were obviously out having a good time and it was just a bit of a faff to keep picking up my camera. It is Sunday the 23rd now and we have just packed up the car, or we're packing up the car to go home. I've slept so bad the last 2 nights, I think because of alcohol, so I'm not feeling amazing, but I'm excited to go home. And yeah, Book of Mormon was absolutely amazing, so funny, highly recommend. And now we are going to head home, listen to Driving Home for Christmas, and yeah, have a nice Christmas. This morning was really nice. We just like laid in bed for ages and watched Gavin and Stacey Christmas special. It is the funniest, and we have now packed the presents up from the tree, and we've just cleaned the flat actually because I was moaning that I didn't want to come back to a really messy flat, so I feel much better. You packed up the car?
Yeah.
Sam accidentally packed my boots, which I'm about to wear, so that was helpful.
I went and got them again, so it's all good.
How much do we want to bet that this footage won't even make a video? I've taken like my laptop and everything home, but I want to spend lots of time with family obviously, so I'm not sure quite how much I'm going to vlog, and obviously I respect everyone's privacy, so we'll see what happens. Driving home for Christmas. Oh, I can't wait to see those faces. Yay! Hello from me and my Christmas jumper, wearing it for the first time this year, and I have been really bad at vlogging. We got home yesterday, I went to see my friend Amy, and then I stayed in with Sam's parents actually, and Sam went out with his friends, but it was really nice. I had a really nice dinner and played with the dogs. I don't think I've ever vlogged the dogs actually, because I don't usually vlog like around family, but I will try and capture them because they are the cutest. I need to dry my hair because it's still wet from the shower, but then we are going to have a big brunch, and we are all going with Sam's family to see Mary Poppins at the cinema, which I am quite excited about, so that'll be good. And then I spend Christmas Eve with my dad. We're just gonna eat loads of party food and chill out, so I'll vlog a little bit of that and the delicious food. Oh, there's the toilet, that's nice. Hi. Hi, welcome to the vlog. Love lovely.
Look, I may like it too. It's not bloody Christmas, you know.
Oh, well done. Yay! Merry Christmas, everyone. I am now dressed and ready in my old room in my dad's flat with our bunk beds and pink walls. And we are going to have some breakfast. We just had a really chilled evening last night, watched a very non-Christmassy film, and then once I've had some breakfast my dad will drop me at Sam's house and I think we're going to start preparing the Christmas dinner. And I'm wearing a nice loose dress so that I can eat all the food. Obviously this will go up after Christmas, but I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. Rub all this lemon zest all over the goose. Merry Christmas! You gotta say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Sam and Lottie. We are in charge of the stuffing balls. So Sam is chopping the onions, we've got sausage meat, we've got pecans, apricots, fresh rosemary, fresh sage. It's going to be delicious. We are having goose, which is in the oven right now. And yeah, these stuffing balls are going to be, can't do the hand thing. Good morning, it is now Boxing Day and I'm wearing my Christmassy dress and we are shortly going to my sister's for Boxing Day celebrations. Lots of drinks and foods and and presents. So today is going to be a good day. I probably won't be doing much filming. Yesterday it was so lovely. I made the best stuffing balls and the dinner was great despite the little smoky oven experience. And yeah, it was just so lovely and chilled, but I am obviously really looking forward to seeing my family today. I am dishevelled and tired, but oh my goodness, what an amazing day with my family. I basically didn't vlog anything because I was just too busy, but a lot of food was eaten, loads of gorgeous presents, games were played, and it was super fun. Let me show you this game that we were all a bit obsessed with that Sam's sister got for us yesterday. It is called Linky. If you know, you know. And I'm wearing these super fleecy bottoms that my mum got me. They are amazing. I'm so happy with these. And I did very cheekily lay out some of my presents that I got because I just bloody love them and I'm very appreciative, and I thought I would just quickly show you because why not? Like alcohol bits, and then here I've got obviously these pyjama bottoms, some lovely socks. My sister got me this bag from Topshop, which I just absolutely love. It's got like a chain handle. And then my dad got me this Benefit set, which looks amazing. It's got like the Hoola bronzer, professional mascara, eyebrow stuff, amazing. He also got us a Canada book as we are hoping to go in the future, and it looks amazing. And then my mum got me flex fit leggings because she knows that I love them, and a Yankee candle, which is just the best gift ever, and this smells delicious. And I also got a lovely perfume from my dad. My sister got us this relaxation for two. You can use it on like a spa day or like treatment somewhere, which is going to be amazing because we really want a massage. And she also got me this gorgeous soft scarf. a bit more alcohol. This looks really cool actually. It's like the juice edition. I've not seen it before. My mum got me this card holder as well with a little Boots voucher in, which is so lovely. It's from Oliver Bonus, but saving the best till last. My mum knows I absolutely love stuff like this and it would look really cute on my white unit, and we don't know if you can like put a flower in it or something, but it just makes me really happy. So she chose so well with this. I'm just in love with it. So yeah, I have been super spoiled this year and I'm super lucky, and me and Sam had the best day. Good night. Good morning everyone. It is now, what day is it, Sam?
It's Thursday the 27th.
Thursday the 27th, and we have had a super lazy morning. I've got a really painful sty on my right eye. Oh, I sneezed. Oh, we are just waiting for Sam's family to arrive. So we are packing up our suitcase and we are going to be heading home to London tonight. So I feel really sad because we're both back at work tomorrow, but it has been an amazing festive period. Can you stop being so annoying? Yeah, have you had a good Christmas, Sam?
Yeah, it's been great.
Did you have fun at my family's yesterday?
We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was really good. But yes, we will probably chat to you on our way home, so talk to you later. Hello, I'm here to finish the vlog. It is now the 29th of December, I believe, a Saturday, and I just wanted to wish you a very happy new year, and I hope that you all had a lovely, relaxing Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you for lots more content in 2019.